It's not what you have, it's how you maintain it. I'm Amanda, owner and designer behind Vinca, your favorite funky jewelry brand. Today I'm gonna give you some unsolicited advice. What's the Prince song? No, it's not Prince. Clothes are old, but never were they dirty.
Definitely not Prince.
I think it's Stevie Wonder. I thought it was Raspberry Beret.
No.
Stevie Wonder, Living for the City. So that lyric, basically, the point is that,
Maintains her
yeah, exactly. You maintain your You know, a lot of people go out and get the newest thing, or their thing breaks and they're like, just throw it away, whatever. But if you learn how to take care of something, it'll last a lot longer. This goes for relationships as well. It doesn't matter, who you know, it matters the connection and the relationship. Yeah, your living space, your stuff, your relationships. Oh, it goes for your health. Jeez. And you can control how you maintain it. So focus on maintaining your things well, and you will have more than somebody who has a lot of, let's say, new or fancier things, but doesn't take care of them. I say that to myself all the time, especially when I'm feeling a little envious of something else that somebody else has.